Hi guys, welcome to Valerie's PlayRoom. Valerie's PlayRoom, let's have fun. Valerie's PlayRoom, let's have fun. Hi guys, welcome to Valerie's PlayRoom. Hi guys, my name's Valerie, and this is my cousin Jaleesa. Hi. And today we're going to be making slime.
Yeah, so we already have the clear glue in here.
So, guys, I'm going to be making, using the pink, the blue, and the yellow. And then I'm going to put, these pearls that are somewhere.
They're over there.
But we're going to go get them in a minute. But, yeah, we're pretty much going to start on it. I'm going to go get the pearls.
Okay, so my slime is going to be purple, and it's going to have color changing stuff in it to where whenever you touch it, the heat makes it change colors.
Okay guys, I am back and I'm putting these pearls in. Pour pearls in.
Okay, so are we going to put the activator in first?
No. We're actually going to put this in. We're putting color changing too. Whoa guys, this is not going out well. It's stretching. Okay, color has stretched.
Okay, I put my purple in. But now
it's like orange now. Oops. I forgot pink and yellow make orange.
Wait, who was that just walked by in the camera?
Nobody. That was my mommy. My mommy's so silly.
And who's the video guy?
That's my stepdad.
What do you call your stepdad?
Thor.
Why do you call me Thor?
Because Napkin.
Napkin for you too? Somebody stole the napkins.
Here.
Oh no. Seriously? She stole the white.
Yeah, I got a baby over here.
Where's the baby? Show them the baby. Alakai. And who's Alakai? Who is that?
My brother. Thank you. Thank you.
He brought us the wipes.
Put the beads in. Mixing now. Look at that, guys. Kind of looks like foam beads, though.
Look at Jaleesa, it's already forming.
Whoa. Could you put activate?
Oh.
Mine's forming, guys. Wow. And if we run out, it's okay, because we got some more activator stuff.
Alright, I'm going to start mixing it.
Me too. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Guys, this is a mess.
Mine's really sticky.
Mine too. I gotta mix more. I need more activator. Yeah.
I mean, it's color changing. It's lighter.
I'm barely touching it. Oh my god, it's forming so much now. Okay, yeah. Take it out. Oops, maybe too loud. Whoa!
Mine is really sticky.
Mine's
see it on my
not. You can see it. It's so pretty. Look at this. So pretty.
Ours turned out pretty close to color.
Yeah. One slime, done. We're making 3 slime.
What?
We're actually going to do the whole thing in this video. Oh, finish.
Where did the host go?
Where'd she go?
I'm right here. Up here. I had to wash out the bowl. Okay, we're back. Back from commercial break. Somehow we paused, but we're back. We're back.
Alright, we're adding in green.
Use those muscles.
It looks like a jelly slime. It looks jelly. Look, mine's gotten darker.
And look at, guys. Look at my slime. 2 slimes completed. 2nd slime. Wait, 3rd slime.
And sorry, her brother is singing The Wheels on the Bus Go Up and Down.
Yeah. He's still trying to. He doesn't know how to talk. So.
Yeah, he's only 1.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you a close up of mine. Stretching. Oh, okay. Anyway, guys, do you think we should mix them?
I'm gonna mix a little bit of each one. I'm not gonna mix the whole thing.
Yeah, see. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this one, like you see so.
Alright, I'm gonna listen to this before I mix it.
I see I got a little bit. Well, I'm gonna get a little bit more.
And she put lotion.
I'm gonna take my silver.
What?
Yeah, look at my pretty color. So,
You ready?
set, go! That's the other one we made off camera.
Wait, hold on. Let's restart. Hold on.
I'm gonna be over here, she's gonna be all the way.
Wait, okay, go that way.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Wait,
my
jump
God.
rope.
No,
It's going on the floor.
They can't see it.
It's too stretchy.
I don't know. They said this one isn't stretchy. And look at this one.
Oh, wait. Whoa.
Here, grab it, Valerie. Grab it. Come and get it.
Oh, no.
But they're gonna mix.
No, it won't.
Oh,
Oh man. All right, bring it back together. Ouch.
it looks like spaghetti.
Well,
Valerie, I want you to say.
hi guys.
Guys, don't forget to like and
subscribe.
Bye.
Wait. Wait, give me here.